YouTube fam? What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm not too good at keeping on track when I speak from the hip, so I've scripted my intro. One thing I wanted to show you real quick. Look, I've got my start built. It's all done. I just got to program it in Betaflight and put some props on it. It's all the way finished. I love it. It turned out awesome. Got the T-motor stack, ESC, and flight controller in there that come in the FPV crates. I'm Kenny, and for all the new subscribers, my name is Kenny. The channel name is Mad Props, as you guys know. Welcome back to the channel. You guys are going to love today's video. Before we get to it, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. This channel is all about drone and RC hobbies. It is also about having fun and spreading positivity through those hobbies. I will be doing many giveaways and have lots of great plans for this channel to make really good content and make as many people happy as possible on my journeys. The mission is to spread as much fun and happiness through RC and drone hobbies as possible and help people when the needs arise. Hopefully you guys will join me on that journey and enjoy some epic content along the way, and maybe win some giveaways. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get on to today's video. I went out the other day with Yawman and Duggar, who I've done drone videos with in the past. The RC chasing video was done with Duggar, and you guys seen Yawman just a few videos ago. I didn't have any FPV drones working, and the only working RC truck I had broke really quick. But I did take my Mavic 2 Pro DJI drone and got some awesome footage. Duggar and Yawman were flying their FPV drones around, and I filmed them flying with my DJI drone. So without too much yakking, let's check out this third-person view footage. This is me filming FPV drones with my Mavic 2 Pro in third-person view. Roll the footage. Okay, fam, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you drop a like if you did. Please support my mission and dreams to use this channel to do a ton of good things and make a ton of people very happy along the way. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when I upload. Also, real quick, I did make a Patreon for anyone that wants to sign up and support the dream. That would be amazing. Later, guys. See you on the next video. Love you guys.